a Cali car out here. So I got a whole new setup in this car, so we just trying to build it up. Track start, let this car go by. Let's see if I can get a pass in real quick. See if I can get a decent pass in. Hopefully. Oh. I think this one might pull to the left a little bit. Oh shit, I got another car coming. That truck gonna pull us to the other side of the street. Pull it off the road a little bit. Wait for them to go past. Might be a little dangerous. See if I can keep this one straight. Right behind me, blue truck went by. Shit, I almost didn't make the turn. Alright, I look lined up. See, I'm clear? Yeah, I look clear. Look clear. Okay, let's see if I can get a pass in. That was a good pass too. Now let's see if I can get it turned around. Get it back here. That gave me a good pass. That was a good pass. Alright, let's see what I got on this one. Okay, let's go stop. Open it up. Stop. Read. 139. 139. Let's see what's on here. 139. This one needs a lot more gearing. I got the Castle 2028 on here. Castle 2028. The 1700 kV. So, and I'm geared kind of mild because I want to get used to it. Trying to get used to it. That's it. Make sure the cars are drivable and running good. This one did good too, but I ain't got nothing crazy. You know, just the HRB. I think them 6,000 milliamp batteries. So no crazy batteries. I got SMC batteries. I got good batteries, but I want to make sure the cars are going great. You know, going straight, and I can drive them good before I really try to push them. So, but it's my Arrma Limitless, Castle XLX2, you know all the stuff. Y'all know everything on the cars. This one did 3,333 feet. So, and 139 miles per hour. So, thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. I want to get this car I don't know, 160s, 170s. I probably can't get that on this block, but if I can get the car running straight and good on this block, then I'll take it to the other block and try to get them bigger numbers. But thanks for watching. I'm out.